What is up, guys? Dominic here. Hope you're doing well. This is our first vlog back. It's good to be back, baby. Y'all haven't seen the drone I got. It's legendary. So yeah, let's cut to some awesome drone shots. Pretty solid stuff though. Like, you gotta admit, like, the drone's pretty cool. The drone's really cool. I don't know if you can hear it, but I know I can. Let's get on out of here. If you could tell, it's actually the next day. So we're actually gonna go eat at this one restaurant. I've only been here one time, and it's supposed to be like one of the best restaurants in the state, at least. I think that was the thing. They are known for their breakfasts, and I love me some breakfast. Kind of curious though. I'm trying to switch up my schedule when I get back home and stuff. You guys rock breakfast? You guys no go on breakfast? What's the deal? Breakfast? No breakfast? You fasting? Intermittent fasting? You know what I'm talking about? Maybe not. Anyway, let's get some breakfast. Howdy, stranger. We made it. Let's go. Let's see what do we got. Barbies. Guys, I'm thinking about getting the cinnamon roll cakes. Apparently they're pretty good. They're like pancakes, but like cinnamon-like. I don't know. We're about to find out together in the next clip. Hopefully. We're a little bit past breakfast, so fingers crossed. Did you guys see my shirt? All good in the woods. I brought it specifically for this, for the vlog, obviously, and for, you know, because I'm in the woods. Makes sense. Anyway, I'm thinking after this, we go to this really interesting lake that I've never shot drone footage on a lake before. I know this episode's very drone heavy. Sorry about that. Just got the drone, so, you know, that honeymoon phase of me using the drone in every single episode for every single shot, it will go away eventually. It's just such a cool tool to use. Side note, it's actually kind of weird recording in a restaurant with a bunch of people like walking by. It takes great confidence to do that. Especially when I'm literally just like talking to myself. Like, Dad's on the phone right there, but yeah, it's pretty much just staring into this little device right here. Very strange. Just want to get my food. Yo, boys, let's go. Look at these pancakes. Pancakes are great. Low-key, guys, probably some of the best pancakes I've ever had. I'll leave the link to the restaurant in the bio. So, yeah. Good Lord, that was a hell of a breakfast right there, my guy. My God, cinnamon roll pancakes. 10 out of 10 would approve. Ding. Gents, we made it. This is it. We found it. It looks amazing. In order to get the best drone shots, we're just gonna bop-a-da-boopy. This is awesome. This is great. This is absolutely perfect.
track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. There's still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know it's the same as bad. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find.